Sure is. And there's nothing but fresh air from the ASEAN. Kind of like a little bit of nervous tension from Shoaib Malik. 3 dots on the trot in this penultimate over. Wow.
But this is superb. We saw nothing sharp with the Yorker, and now it's the last 2.
Well, he's finally got a bit of wood on it. It's going to go.
A stand steaming in.
Now, once again, they're going to have to hustle here, and they do. It's good running. It's still only 2-7. And it does. He just got it slightly off. A little bit too short and wide with pace on. Only 7 from the 19th, and Karachi at 140. You can see what he's trying to do. Again, bang it in, but he wanted to tuck up. Show blue liner really has faded on. O'Neill Smith with a final over the night. Now, at least the A. Pace on, sliding, and it's gone for 4. Biggest pocket on the boundary.
The thrust to the odds.
The jangling.
There's one delivery that doesn't disappear to the fence. Shoaib Malik. Will he go leg side?
There it is. Just what you wanted, Baz. And the scene.